Today, I'll walk you through how to create a pie chart in Google Sheets, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to visualize your data effectively so you can make informed decisions with ease. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. This is the starting point for accessing all Google applications, including Sheets, where our pie chart will come to life. Once you're on the Google homepage, look for the grid icon in the top right corner, which represents Google Apps. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu of available applications. This is where you'll find Sheets. Next, click on Sheets to open the application. If you already have a spreadsheet you want to work with, you can open that now. If not, feel free to create a new spreadsheet by selecting the blank option. Remember, it's totally normal if this takes a moment. Take your time. Now, you'll want to highlight the cells that contain the data you want to visualize in your pie chart. This could be anything from sales figures to survey results. Just click and drag your mouse over the desired cells to select them. Think of this as gathering your ingredients before cooking a meal. With your data selected, navigate to the top menu and click on the Insert option. This is where you'll find various tools to enhance your spreadsheet, like adding charts, which is what we're after today. After clicking on Insert, look for the Chart option in the drop-down menu and click on it. This action will prompt Google Sheets to automatically generate a chart based on your selected data. In most cases, it will default to a pie chart, which is perfect for our needs. And there you have it. Your pie chart should appear on the screen, beautifully representing your data. You can customize it further by clicking on the chart and using the options that appear on the right side of your screen. If your pie chart doesn't look exactly like you expected, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Google frequently updates its interface, but the core functionality remains the same. In summary, creating a pie chart in Google Sheets is a straightforward process. Start by opening Google, navigate to Sheets, highlight your data, insert a chart, and voila! You have a visual representation of your information. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.